Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to enable or disable IPv6 in Windows 11 computer in easiest way. So to open ncpa.cpl you have to open the run box, type ncpa.cpl. It will open the network properties, network connection window, and you would see different Ethernet cards here. I have only one Ethernet card. If you have multiple Ethernet cards, you will see multiple Ethernet cards here. Suppose I right click on this Ethernet 0, then you have to click this. Once I click on properties, scroll down and then you will find IPv6 protocol version, internet protocol version 6. You have to uncheck this option to disable IPv6 and then click on OK. If you have to enable this, you have to right click on the Ethernet card again and then click on properties, scroll down and then check this option to enable IPv6. So this is the easiest method you can enable or disable IPv6 on your computer. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.